fabulous people, welcome back to my channel Keeping It Raw with Aditi. This is Aditi Redkar this side. I hope all of y'all are doing fine and this is a new week, so let's dive straight into the video. So I'm done with my college. I didn't vlog anything from college today. I've come directly to my mama ke ghar pe because here we are going to celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Today is Raksha Bandhan and a very happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. I know some of your siblings are away from you, some of your cousins are away from you, but we still try and celebrate and send our love to posts or otherwise. So a happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you all watching. सो आई शो यू कि हम यहाँ पे कैसे राखी मनाते हैं, क्या क्या स्वीट्स लाए जाते हैं, क्या क्या गिफ्ट्स मिलते हैं. आई शो यू एवरीथिंग व्हाट्स गोना हैपन आफ्टर माय कजिन्स कम. एंड राइट नाउ आई एम गोना सी व्हाट माय मम्मी एंड माय अदर कजिन्स आर डूइंग इन द किचन. डिनर का प्रेप क्या है आई शो यू गाइस. सो आई एम इन द किचन ऑफ माय मामा's हाउस एंड ऑल ऑफ अस एंड माय aunt, that's my mommy, are all preparing फूड फॉर टुनाइट. तो आज हम बना रहे हैं पनीर टिक्का और क्या बना रहे हैं मम्मी? दैट्स माय मम्मी एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी मेट हर. दैट्स दिशिता, यू मेट हर बिफोर एज वेल. मशरूम shagoti. Shagoti is something which is very famous in our state, so we're making mushroom shagoti and paneer tikka and more maybe which I will show you all. तो हम लोग कर रहे हैं पनीर टिक्का की तैयारी. मामी इज फ्राइंग द पनीर एंड दिस इज वैभवी मेकिंग. व्हाट यू आर मेकिंग? टेल. सो हमने यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी पनीर का टिक्का बना लिया है. वी आर सॉर्टिंग द वेजिटेबल्स एंड यहाँ पे वैभवी कर रही है किसाई कैरेट्स की. वैभवी हैव्स द जोश. हाय ओके. सो शी इज नॉट tired yet. We forgot to tell you all something. So I tie Rakhi to one of my friends and I always think of him as my brother. So he gave me Rakhi gifts and I'll show you. So there's a celebration and that's M Caffeine mini kit. I think it is green tea vitamin C face glow kit as you can see. So thank you Devesh, thank you so much. This is the first Rakhi gift for today and many more to come. So totally I had forgotten to show you all. तो मैंने ये दिखा दिया. So we are all ready and our cousins are here. My little brother Sanish. Nice happy Raksha Bandhan. Say same to you. Thank you. So let's go and celebrate. Are done with the Rakhi and now we are gonna eat food. They want to come. I'll show you all my brothers. So I have yeah, मेरी मासी. मासी say hi. And Masi, how was the Raksha Bandhan? You had fun? Yes, she enjoyed and my earring gave up. So for today's dinner we are having beans की सब्जी, salad, ये दूधी की सब्जी है, पनीर टिक्का, जीरा राइस, मशरूम and rajma. That's it. And all of my cousins are sitting here having dinner. And this little cute kid, Sunny, say hi. It's not in the mood. It's my sister, the privileged one. Okay, so it's a Tuesday and I'm done with all my classes. और आज हम लोग जल्दी छूटे थे और इतनी गर्मी हो रही है. I'm so tired. My legs are hurting. And पता नहीं बारिश में इतनी गर्मी हो रही है तो समझ में तो क्या ही हालत होने वाली है. I'm super tired. But there is a lot of work pending, so let's do that. this week is coming to an end. It's a Saturday, I'm done with my college, and while coming out from my college, I hurt myself. So, just meetings. Now I'm headed home, and after going home, I'll show you जो मुझे gifts मिले थे रक्षाबंधन के, मैंने नहीं दिखाए हैं वो अब तक. So I'll show you all what are the gifts that I got for Rakshabandhan. And whatever happens, I'm not sure, we might go shopping also because my birthday is coming next week, that is 29th of August. So I might go shopping with my parents. It's raining very heavily, so I'm not certain about it. But whatever happens, I'll keep you all posted. Okay, so I'm all ready to head out for shopping, and I'll show you my outfit. And this is my outfit, a tee and a pant and the sling bag. We had gone to give a memento to John De Silva, who's a very famous Goan theatrist. He couldn't make to my father's function, but he was supposed to be honored. So we went backstage during his theatre to give his memento. And these are the few places which I went shopping. Okay, so I'm back from the shopping, and as I told you, I'll show you all the gifts that I've got for Rakshabandhan. So first of all, we have here, it's like a microfiber cloth which you have to put like ऐसे नहाने के बाद जो हम लोग डालते हैं ना, like that sort of thing. It has a cute strawberry on it, and that's the thing. And next we have two face masks by Nalka. One is rice and camellia for nourishment and radiance, and one is collagen and grapefruit for firm and smooth skin. These are the two face masks that we have. Next, I have got a body wash from M Caffeine, and the variant is Blueberry Blast. So this is the thing, you can see. This is the body wash, and smells pretty amazing actually. Next, in my Pitara, I have a top. It's like a crop, not crop actually, it's like a top. So it's like brown color, very, very soft material. Absolutely love it. So that's that. And we have a perfume as well. That's from Fast Track, a Fast Track perfume, which is, I don't know if there is a variant. I think Bold is the variant, you can see here. There's the perfume. I'll open and show you all how it looks, so if you are interested to buy. This is the bottle, pretty cute, pink, fancy, and it opens this way and smells pretty amazing. So if you will want, you all should go ahead and buy this. Okay, next I think I had also got a wafer, like the wafers, you know, जो मिलते हैं, like a big packet, मुझे वो मिला था, but मैंने वो शायद फ्रिज में रख दिया है or somewhere, I'm not sure. So that was everything I got, but I also wanted to show you something that I got today जब मैं shopping करने गई थी. So there were like stalls outside, so वहाँ पे I got this, and I find it so cute. I found it like this is the item, I'll show you. So it's like a layered chain which has a evil eye, and I absolutely love everything that has evil eye on it, because I totally believe on it and absolutely love it as well. So wait a minute, yeah, you can see this cute little pendant. It is so cute, and it's also matching with my bracelet over here. So I love it, and you won't believe the price I paid for this. Like, this is anti-tarnish, dude, and it's so expensive. Like, you girls must knowing कि anti-tarnish jewelry कितनी expensive होती है. I also got evil eye earrings. I'm obsessed with evil eye. I'm obsessed. So these earrings, oh my god. Okay, and they are so affordable and so beautiful. They had so many trending designs, and all of them were priced so fairly. I mean, just great. They have like a Instagram page which you can follow. Here it is for you all to see. If you all want to order a book, I don't know if they order online or how it is, but y'all can definitely follow them and check that out. And I got it just for rupees 250, guys. Like, can you believe it? Anti-tarnish 250. I cannot. I don't know if I'm overhyping, but it deserves all the hype. Excuse me. The earrings were 300 too, but they have like diamonds on them, so pretty much worth it. I got more things also, but these were the ones I really wanted to show y'all. You can really check their store and go grab. It's amazing. Like, seriously, you should grab it. So for tomorrow, I might be going shopping with my friend if there are no rains, because it's raining very heavily. I have to exchange a thing, so I might be doing that or not. Let's see, whatever happens, I'll keep y'all posted about it. Okay, so it's a Sunday and I'm all ready to go shopping with my friend. She'll be picking me up soon. But first, let me show you my outfit. So this is a cute oversized tee. Then we have flap pants, which I wore yesterday. This tote, and that's it. Okay, so I'm back home and damage has been done to the pocket. I've got whatever I needed for my birthday. That is it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment and hit the bell icon, because that's how you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs if you're watching till this part, and keep your love coming. Bye bye.